Sabi ni Liberal Party President and Senator Kiko Pangilinan, it's still too early, particularly in the context of Vice President Leni Robredo and pushing her to make a decision on whether or not she will run. You are on record, of course, sir. You say you want to run for president. You've also said if it's Leni, you will step aside, you will let her run. But you also said mas mabuti nang mag-decide siya earlier rather than later. At what point, sir, does it become too late? And at what point does it become masyadong matagal naman yata itong inaantay natin?
Actually, if you're going to be technical about it, we're already too late in the decision-making process. Kasi alam nyo yung 2022, we believe it's the most important elections in our nation's history after 1986. So kung ganun ang stakes, ganun kabigat yung stakes, existential nga, sabi nila, in relation to our democracy, then it just follows na mas maaga yung preparation, mas maganda. However, having said that, we totally respect the decision-making process of VP Leni. She went through something that none of us went through. So we're allowing her all the space that she needs for that decision. But at the same time, we also need to remind her that she is on the clock. Alam natin the kind of work that entails in preparing for a presidential run, maraming kailangan gawin. And I hope everybody realizes that.
Well, there are some sectors that are saying na yung mga early bird, they're the ones who get shot first dito sa atin if it's a presidential race. And we've seen this happen actually in the past, no? Don't you think there's a difference between officially declaring your intent to run and deciding at this point, dahil sabi nyo nga, medyo late na ngayon, but then declaring officially much, much later para hindi masyadong maraming kaaway ninyo? Don't you think yun ang sinasabi ng ibang quarters, no? That would be a better or safer strategy. Para just to catch the administration off guard.
Oh, I totally agree with you, ma'am. Ami, I always make the distinction between making a decision which is personal and declaring which is public. The personal decision should have come in ideally during the last quarter of last year, because only after you have decided, doon ka pala magsisimula mag-prepare academically, trying to come up with policy prescriptions sa iba't ibang problema ng bansa. Kasi yun lang ang pwede mong magawa na meron kang quiet time to do that. Pag pumasok na po itong mga August or September, pagka umabot ka na doon, there won't be any time to prepare. So ibig sabihin, all this time, na-miss na yon, yung academic preparation na yon, which is actually more important for me, kasi hindi lang pagkapanalo ang kailangan pagpreparan dito, kung hindi the governance that would come after. Hindi pwedeng pagkapanalo saka pa lang natin pag-aaralan o yung learning curve doon pala magsisimula. No, we should hit the ground running. Kung makita natin yung nangyari kay US President Biden, on the day of his inauguration, talagang 50 executive orders yung pinirmahan niya. Talagang gumalaw na sila kaagad. At magagawa mo lang yon kung pinag-aralan mo na yung mga problema. At hindi biro yung mga problema ng Pilipinas. So yun po ang sinasabi ko. Make that personal decision, start preparing, spread it dun sa people you trust para ma-explore na nila kung paano, malatag na nila. Let's say yung pre-campaign plan, the campaign plan, tapos the people you can trust to run your campaign. Ang daming gagawin, Tapos ang pinakamabigat dito yung electoral mapping na tinatawag, wherein you need to look at 1,500 cities and municipalities, and you would need to forge alliances to each para ma-cover mo yung buong bansa. Yun yung mga kung seryoso talaga tayong manalo, But if we're taking these things lightly and we feel confident about our capacity to campaign, then by all means, we can take our time.
Pero sir, here's the thing we were talking last night to LP President Kiko Pangilinan, and from his point of view, maaga pa masyado. Sabi nga niya, baka September pa would be a good time to come out with kung sinong kandidato ng opposition, around a month before the filing of candidacies. So parang worlds apart po yung inyong yung opinion ninyong dalawa kung kailan dapat magdedesisyon yung opposition kung sinong tatakbo.
Hindi naman po. In fact, kagaya nga kanina nung sinabi ni Ma'am Ami, pwede ka mag-declare ng September. I totally agree with Senator Kiko, but yung decision should come way earlier than that. Kasi ano lang yun ministerial yung declaration. Yung sinasabing early bird binabaril. So, but historically, July yung declaration ni then Secretary Marrojas noong 2016 elections, July of 2015. Si Vice President Binay declared, June of 2015. Si President Noynoy Aquino, because of extraordinary circumstances, declared September of 2009. Tapos itong si Duterte naman, while he declared late November na, but his whole machinery was already moving as early as the first quarter of 2015. So may sabi ko nga, there is a distinction between a personal decision and the official declaration. The declaration can come in late.